Director dealings. I mean, a lot of people sort of look at director dealings and base their investment decisions on directors dealing. Now, there are several types of director dealing. I mean, obviously, I was a founder of London Capital Group, and when we floated, all my wealth was in London Capital Group. So when I sold shares in London Capital Group, it was because, it's not a very good idea to have every single penny in one share. So I was a director, I was selling. It wasn't that I thought the share price was too high or too low or wherever, it was just where I wanted to liquidate some of my money. When directors are buying, of course, you would hardly expect directors to buy if there was some potential bad news out there. So it could be an indication that directors, that there might be a little bit of information that's going to be favourable for the company. At least it's probably not bad news. Anyway, a director's hardly going to buy shares if he thinks the company's doing badly. Sometimes directors will buy, certainly chairmen often buy shares as a vote of confidence in the company. And that, watching what chairman do is a little more difficult, because they're often seen to be putting a vote of confidence in the company. So that's not always so useful. But I'm always in favour in directors holding equity in companies. I really believe, I don't like companies where the entire board is only dependent upon their salary, because their motives aren't for the shareholders, their motives are for their salary. Whereas if they've got a stake in the company, they are aligned with the shareholders. So I really do think that directors should be encouraged to buy, certainly exec directors should be encouraged to put some of their money where their job is.